Welcome to Vision ERP. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating AR receipts. From the main dashboard, click on AR Receipts. A new interface will appear, showing a complete list of previously created receipts. You'll see details like receipt number, receipt date, customer name, receipt type posted, status notes. Click on Add Receipts to create a new one. A new interface will open. Now you can select customer name, choose payment method, bank transfer, cash check credit card. Let's say we select bank transfer. All available bank accounts will be displayed. If you select cash, the system will show all petty cash accounts. If you select check, it will show all related accounts and you'll need to enter check details. And here I will select bank transfer. Here we select Dubai Islamic Bank. In the notes field we write receipt from customer. Then click continue. Now you'll see two options below. Invoices on account. If you don't have a specific invoice and want to add this amount as an advance or credit note, choose on account. Otherwise, select invoices. When you click on select invoices, a new window opens. All pending invoices for this customer will be displayed. Select the invoice that matches the receipt you're creating. For example, let's receive the full amount of the invoice we just created. In the notes, again write, receipt from customer. Then click Apply Changes. After applying changes, your receipt will be created. You now have options. Edit the receipt. After editing, you can save it, post it, delete it, or go back as needed. We have many options available to filter the data. Simply click on Receipt Date, then select the last day. This will show the invoice we just created. You can also copy the invoice number and search it directly. On the side, you'll see the edit icon. Click on it to make any changes. If no edits are needed, just post the invoice, and it will be successfully posted.